the solution to this example. So first one we're going to do is a trend analysis. Now you can do it. I'm going to go click here, insert. I'm going to do a line. Click here and drag it all the way across. So you can see this is a very long one. I'm going to say OK. When we go back, you'll see it's been created. Now what's nice about Sparklines is I can copy them down. So when I copy like that, it immediately assumes. So you'll see if we look here, we go to edit data, you'll see it shows you that it is looking at the correct place. So we'll just say cancel. And what you can see as well is that it is grouped. We can clearly see that because when I click on one, all the others are highlighted. And under design, you'll see it says group or ungroup. In this case, each item looks exactly the same, so that fairly small numbers looks like a similar relative size to that one there. We now want to create the relative size analysis. So what we'll do is we'll go here, we'll insert a sparkline. Again, we'll make it a line. Highlight that same area again. Just to make it a little bit different, what we're going to do is we're going to just change the color. So let's make it perhaps a red. Again, I can copy it down. But now, first I must just check, is it grouped? Yes, it is. Now what I want to do is the relative size. So I'm going to go to the vertical axis minimum value, same for all sparklines, and maximum, same for all sparklines. And you'll see it now shows a lot in a much clearer way that this is much bigger than that. Just keep in mind that sparklines are linked to the cell, so I can take a cell, and if I make it a bit bigger, you'll see the sparkline actually adjusts.